Here's how to set age guidelines for your Roblox game. So in this video, I'll show you how to configure maturity rating for any game you've created on Roblox. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. So I'll be doing this on PC, but you can follow similar steps in the app on your iPhone or Android device as well. So it works on any device. So first, you need to go to roblox.com, log into your account, tap on the create in the top of the screen that is between Marketplace and the search icon. Now this takes you to the Creator Hub. In the left menu, click on Creations. Find the game you want to set the age guidelines for. From the left-hand side of the screen, scroll all the way down and go to the Audience section. From the drop-down menu, tap on Maturity and Compliance. Now, basically, you'll complete a questionnaire where Roblox will ask you about your game. Based on your answers, they'll assign a maturity rating. And after you understand this information, scroll down and click on Start to begin the questionnaire. And then go through all of these sections over here. Once you finish, you'll see your content maturity label. Be very honest when answering the questions, as incorrect answers can lead to your account being banned or your game being deleted. When you're done, select Submit. And now when you open the game on Roblox, it will show a maturity rating of minimal. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.